name's Dr. Maxine Daniels and I'm a qualified psychodramatist. I trained about 25 years ago and since then I've worked in a variety of places. My work actually spans organisations to hospitals, and currently I'll be going into Broadmoor to work with the patients. So that's quite a different type of work in terms of how and where I use psychodrama psychotherapy. More and more recently, I've been invited into organisations where quite often the work is more around coaching, and it sort of verges on therapeutic coaching. And I found myself working in organisations like the General Medical Council, banks, insurance companies, engineering companies, and quite often people may only want 1 or 2 sessions. Some of the terms are called things like decompression sessions because people are working in environments where there's a pressure of work that builds up and they just have a safe space where they can come and really offload. So that's one of the reasons that I decided to write this particular chapter in the One-to-One Psychodrama Psychotherapy handbook, because I thought it would be quite useful to look at how I use psychodrama in a session just for 1 hour where I meet the client just for that one meeting, and the work that we can actually accomplish in that time, which is really significant, and normally clients always feel much lighter and talk about the magic of psychodrama. So that's why I've written that chapter, which has come out of my training at the London Centre for Psychodrama.